Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we'll be working with lists, unordered lists and ordered lists in HTML. We'll try to keep it nice and sweet and minimal, so let's get started. I have Visual Studio Code open, in which you'll notice that just a standard index file, index.html, and I am running it live to the right, in which you may have seen in some of the previous videos. And what we're going to do here is let's just start with the actual UL element, because you'll need to wrap your list items in that. So this is an unordered list, so it's UL element. So we'll open and close that, and then from there what we're going to want to do is add an actual list item within the unordered list wrap. So let's see here. It's going to do li, open and close it, and let's just put apples. And you can see that over to the right over here. And what we can do, let's just copy that just to make life a little easier. And we'll paste a couple in here. And we'll add a few more things on our list of things to get. Let's see, so we have apples, let's go with pears, and we'll go with, what else do we want? Milk, and of course, how about some soda? Why not? All right, so here we have a small little list. And you know what, just above that, we'll just put an H1, and we'll just call it our shopping list. In the H1 element, which we covered in the previous videos. All right, so that's an unordered list. Let's copy that, and now let's make an actual ordered list. So what we can do, we'll just copy what we already have. We'll place it right below here. And instead of the unordered list, we'll put OL for ordered list. And now what you'll notice is we still have the same list here, but now we have numbers instead of actual bullets. So here we have bullets, unordered list, and here we have OL, ordered list. So that's just numerical from 1 through 4. And I believe what we can do also, just to kind of mix things up a little bit here, if you wanted to actually nest these, you could actually do like a sub list. So let's say we went under here and created another UL, and then that will actually indent it out. And let's continue with a list item within there, and we'll just put some other stuff, and we'll just copy that. And you'll notice how the bullet actually changes as well. And I think that'll do it. So it's a small little way to actually come up with a couple of ordered lists, some nested lists, and some unordered lists. I think that's it for today. Short, simple, and sweet. Subscribe, hit the notifications, comment if you have any questions. Stack out. Have a good one.